Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video. Hey, it's Sovik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. LAVA has unveiled its new smartphone LAVA Z80. This is the premium budget smartphone from the LAVA. It's made with aluminum series of metal and the front glass panel. The phone looking is very premium and it's value for money product. The most important, the price of the phone is 9,000 rupees. In this 9,000 rupees, LAVA is providing much more better than any other phone in this series available in the market. So let's get a quick specification of LAVA Z80. The LAVA Z80 coming with LAVA 30 days money back challenge. After buying this phone, if you want to feel that the phone doesn't fulfill your requirement and it's not a value for money product, then you can return it to LAVA store or LAVA service center within the 30 days and you will get 100% money back from the LAVA. The LAVA Z80 coming in black color option. The LAVA Z80 having 3GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. It also have a dedicated microSD card slot which supports 128GB expandable memory. The LAVA Z80 coming with MediaTek MTK6737 quad-core processor with 1.3 GHz clock speed and the GPU is Mali T720. The LAVA Z80 coming with lots of features like HD screen, Android Nougat and the rear mounted fingerprint scanner. The LAVA Z80 coming with long lasting 2500 non-renewable battery. The rear camera of LAVA Z80 is 8 megapixel with dual tone LED flashlight. It offers portrait mode and the bokeh effect. And the 5 megapixel front selfie shooter is there with high quality image at night. Both front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p Full HD resolution. The LAVA Z80 coming with Android 7.0.1 Nougat on the top of STAROS. In case of network and connectivity, the LAVA Z80 coming with dual SIM. First SIM is micro SIM and second one is nano SIM. Both first and second SIM supports 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G and 3G network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM and 3.5mm jack for audio output. Sensor attached with LAVA Z80 are a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, an accelerometer, proximity sensor and the G sensor. The LAVA Z80 available over the online market as well as the offline market. The buy link from the Flipkart and Amazon are provided in below description. You can buy from there. So that's all. If you want to know more about the other LAVA phone, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like my video. And thanks for the watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.